I struggled with words, phrases, pronunciation. Even forming simple sentences felt like climbing a mountain to me in those days. Hi friends, in this video today, let's talk about something that confuses a lot of English learners. The topic is, how long does it really take to speak English fluently? If you ask this question, some people may say a few months, and others may say you need years, and then there are those who say if you are not becoming fluent fast, you must be doing something wrong, right? Well, let me tell you something. Learning English isn't a race, it's a journey, and today I am sharing my honest experience so you will know exactly what to expect. So actually, when I started learning English, I could barely understand spoken English. I struggled with words, phrases, pronunciation. Even forming simple sentences felt like climbing a mountain to me in those days. So then, what I did is, for the first 9 months, I immersed completely myself in English. Okay, so yes, I immersed myself in English, like movies, podcasts, YouTube videos, books, anything I could get my hands on. And slowly, my ears started picking up words, patterns, and rhythms and sounds. But guess what? That didn't mean I was fluent, not even close. Then, how long did it take? The truth is, to feel truly confident in English, it took me around 1 to 2 years. Yes, 1 to 2 years. And even today, I'm still learning new words and improving myself. So, if you are wondering, will it take me that long too? The answer is it depends. Some people learn faster, some slower. It all comes down to how much time you invest, your environment, and most importantly, your mindset. And as a Telugu speaker, I faced pronunciation struggles, self doubt. At one point, I wanted to quit, but I never gave up. You know, the key is to enjoy the process instead of worrying about how fast you are improving. Trust me, fluency comes with time. Fluency comes with time. And if you are serious about improving your English, let me share a powerful technique, shadowing. It's simple. Just listen to native speakers, immediately repeat what they say, copy their pronunciation and the rhythm. That's it. This is called shadowing technique. Trust me, it does magic. But how to do it? You can do it with movie clips, news clips, podcasts, or even my videos. Do this daily and you will see and hear the difference. Sure. And remember, my friends, fluency isn't about speed, it's about consistency and confidence. So instead of how long will it take, just ask yourself, what can I do today to improve myself? Okay, so keep listening, keep practicing, and most importantly, don't give up. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please give it a like and share with your friends and subscribe to our channel English Friend 360 so that you will get notified whenever I upload a video. And let me know in the comments down below how long you have been learning English. Let's keep this conversation going. Bye.